Check engine lights on in the G35. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have a gross leak. What a lot of people do is a P0455. A lot of people automatically will run out and buy a new gas cap. And buying a new gas cap, I don't suggest that. Usually, 9 out of 10 times buying a gas cap isn't going to fix anything. When you have a gross leak, pretty much you have a large leak, and gas cap's usually not going to fix that. Usually you have some type of component failure or a hose is broken. So this is a G35, this is a 2006, and what I'm going to throw at it is I'm going to throw a vent valve at it. I'll show you what that looks like. So basically, if you're going to spend some money, don't buy a gas cap. You gotta P0455, go out and get yourself a vent valve. This is a canister vent valve. The manufacturers call different things, and there's a couple different ways to test this thing, but you're going to need one of these. The check engine light will come on for a gas tank or two, and then it'll turn off by itself, come back on, turn off, and basically what it is this little gate that's in here is getting stuck. Okay, so I'll replace this. Alright, so the charcoal canister is over here on this side. You're gonna have to take this shield off. And it's just some 10 millimeter. Go ahead and take those guys out. Alright, so here's your valve. All you have to do basically is just twist it. Okay. And it will come off. We're gonna unplug it. Yeah, so these things fail because they get full of dirt. Like if you look inside of it, it's full of dirt, so it can't close. This thing stays open when the car's off for the most part, even when the car's running a lot of the times. It only really closes every once in a while. So the little plunger in there gets dirty. But let's put it right off. New one. If you look, you can see how the part is. Got these two bigger pieces and these two smaller pieces. You just have to line them up in the hole in the canister and turn it on there. Alright, so the old one came out like that. We can get the new one in like that. This is where the aftermarket parts make things a little bit more difficult. Okay, you can push it in there, and then all you gotta do is just turn it facing up, put the connector on, get your breather hose, And that's it. Put the cover back on. All right, well, I'm gonna clear the code, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna fix the issue with this P0455. I'll leave a link down in the description box on where you get one of those vent valves. I think I paid 30 bucks for it. A new gas cap is gonna cost you anywhere between 10 and 20 bucks, all depends on the brand. So you're better off spending your money on the vent valve than on the gas cap, because the gas cap usually don't go bad. I'm not saying they don't, but they usually don't. Thanks for checking out the video. I really appreciate the support. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later. We had to practice.